Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I've uploaded something, but you know, I am back and I don't know, I just wanted to film. This turban's giving me Aladdin vibes. Love that. But yeah, I'm gonna sit down, do my makeup, watch a movie, and I don't know, hopefully something really cute comes out of it, but we'll see. I don't know where my mind's at. Starting with concealer, I'm going to use that as my eye base. And I'm going to start looking a little crazy here and just apply that all over my eyelids. Going in with the Norvina palette, I'm going to go in with that yellow and orange shade. I'm going to pack on the yellow shade onto my crease and just keep building up the color, trying to make it more vibrant. I'm going to flip my brush over and pack that orange shade right underneath where I put the yellow so I can have a nice gradient. Taking that matte hot pink shade, I'm going to take that and pack that all through the middle of my eye.
Oh, it's just so beautiful.
Going in with that far blue shade, I'm going to use it as eyeliner and just run that on my lash line and smoke it out. Then I'm going to do my face makeup real quick. I'm doing my foundation, my concealer, powder under my eyes, on my chin, on my forehead. Take my bronzer and just lightly kiss my cheeks and my forehead to make me look bronzy. Put on lashes, and then I'm going to highlight the inner corners of my eye with that bright green color. And then I'm going to take that blue that I used to smoke out my lash line and just run that on my lower lash line and smoke it out and just blend the two together. Alright, so this is the finished look. If you like it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up down below, comment, and I'll see y'all